Blondes really do have more fun. I had so much fun creating this look using clip-ins. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I achieved it without coloring my hair. Here's the before. So let's get into it. I was gifted these amazing clip-ins by Curlsqueen, and we are going to be installing them today. Let's unbox them. It comes with a really nice detangle brush, a satin bonnet, instructions, a full set of clip-ins. It's full from the top to the bottom and the wefts are thin for a flat install. I'm starting by sectioning out my crown section. I'm going to leave about this much out on both sides. I'm going to be doing the middle part, and I'm starting on freshly pressed hair. Typically I wouldn't do that, but you know, I had to make this a double take and do a separate video of the press to make more content. I'm just pinning these pin curls away because that is what's going to be left out. And I'm doing the same to the other side. Here is my section completely pinned. Now I'm going to leave my edges out. I'm not leaving a whole lot out, just enough to cover the tracks and to pull behind my ear if I wanted to. Now I took the back section and I parted it into two, and I'm just going to do 2 braids all the way at the bottom at the nape of my neck. You want to make sure that you use an elastic band on the ends, okay, and not rubber, elastic. Again, I'm just going to plait my hair on the other side. This way is so easy and very quick. Okay, we are all done, and now I have my big old bag of bobby pins. You will need bobby pins for this. I'm going to take one braid, loop it from one side to the other, and then I am tucking that bottom part in, and then I'm going to start pinning the braid in place. Always use your pins upside down. The spiky part should go down. And I'm just kind of feeling my way, making sure that it feels flat, and just pinning the hair down, making sure that it is in there and feels secure. You don't need a lot, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Tuck that tail in, make sure it feels flat, and then start with the pins. Funny story about my big bag of pins. One of my clients on the last day of me doing her hair, she brought me this big old bag of pins and was like, "These are all the bobby pins that you used on me the last few years." Okay, the base is complete, and now we install. So I already pressed the one that's in my, is that my right hand? On the right side of the screen. And I'm gonna press the ones that's on the left side. And I'm using this little contraption. I don't even know what it's called, but it's a clip-in holder. It's a clip-in holder. So I'm just going to press them out lightly before I install them, because I'm gonna curl them once I install them. I will have everything linked below for you guys. Okay, let's install. I am starting at the bottom. This one has 3 clips on it. So simple. Then the next one that also has 3 clips on it. And then this one has 4. I mean, y'all can count. I don't know why I'm telling you the numbers, but as you can see what I'm doing, it's very, very simple, and the clips are really, really good. And it's laying super flat, which I love. So you're just going up in size. This one does not go all the way around from like edge to edge. And so I'm doing one side all the way to the edge. And then when I put in the other clip in, I'm going to do that side on the other side all the way to the edge. As you can see where it's going to stop. Okay, you see where it stops right there? Now I'm going to take the other one that's that same size, and I'm going to start it at the edge on this side. And now it should be right kind of where that bottom part meets. Simple, very, very simple. You ladies can do this so easily. And then I'm going to take the smaller pieces. There's 4 smaller pieces. So I'm going to take one and go right there. And now I'm going to part my hair diagonally because I want it to fall towards my face. And cover that up. Just wait. It's gonna blend, okay? Just wait. Do the same to the other side. Part it diagonally so you can have it falling towards your face. And these clip-ins are pretty flat, so you see how close I have it, but it still blends. So I'm using the detangle brush that came with the set, and I really like it. It was like very, very easy. I like how the handle was made. I love that. Now I'm just giving myself a little bit of face framing layers. I started where my hair met, and I just went down at an angle. I'm just making sure that it's even right there, and then I'm just going to go through and clean up the ends. I bring it all forward, and then I just clip using my shears. I'm sure you ladies by now have seen my video of me doing layers. So I'm just cleaning up the ends. This hair is so thick and so full. Love it. And I'm just going to add a little bit of layers towards the bottom so it's not super heavy. So I'm just going through and adding little layers, point cutting, just to get rid of some of the weight. You see how flat it is? See? Could tuck it behind my ear. I love that. We love that. All right, so I'm going in with the Amika Flexus hairspray so I can curl my hair. I'm using the T3 iron. This is 1 1/4. No, this is 1.5 inch barrel. That's like the largest barrel that they have. And I'm just doing some soft waves. So I'm curling away from my face. I'm leaving about 1 inch of the ends out, and I'm just twisting the curling iron out of the hair. Instead of just like pulling it out, I'm like twisting it out, if that makes sense. And this kind of creates that like beachy, soft wave look. Again, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Ooh, okay. So I let it cool a little bit, did a shirt change, and now I'm gonna comb her out. I'm using an anti-static rake comb to comb my curls out. What are we thinking so far? It looks so good. Love this. Okay, blondes really do have more fun. I had so much fun wearing this hairstyle. I got so many compliments. I'm like, okay, should I go blonde? I really don't even have to. I just put in these clip-ins. No damage to my hair. What are we thinking, ladies? Let me know what you guys think about it. I'm so excited. This was like, I've never been blonde before, so this was very new to me, but I loved it. It came out so good. It's giving like birthday hair. Leave me in the comments, ladies. Would you guys try this? Add a pop of color to your hair. And it just looks so seamless and so flat, and I did not have to color my hair. Again, this is the 18 inches Balayage light Yaki clip-ins from Curlsqueen, and it has dark brown roots and ash blonde / honey blonde highlights in it, and it just looks so good. If you have any shade of brown to your hair, this will blend. Okay, because my hair is about a level 7, and so the brown parts on this hair was a lot lighter than my hair, but girl, it still blends. It looks so good, and you cannot tell me that this is not my hair. I will have everything linked for you and a code for you to use. If you've made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. Your support means the world to me. And if you like this type of content, please like, share, subscribe, and meet me in the comments. Thank you again to Curlsqueen for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you on the next one.